What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today this is going to be a very simple install. These are some wing stabilizers that I got from Etsy, and I'll go ahead and talk about where I got them in just a minute. But check this out. This is very simple to install. Adhesive tape on the top and on the bottom, but basically this just goes up, and that's pretty much it. All I'm gonna do right now is center these up. I'm most likely gonna center them with the Honda emblem. That way they're about like that part apart. I think that would look good. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with it and see how I like it a little bit better. It's probably gonna look like that. That's not too bad. I'll go ahead and take some good pictures afterwards. The car's just dusty because of all the wind that was blowing in here. So, but overall, I think that's where I'm gonna want them. They're about 10 inches apart. The center of the Honda emblem is obviously the center right here. Yeah, that's straight right there. It's about 9 inches apart. Okay, cool. Exactly where I want it. 4.5 in the middle. So it's about 9 inches apart. And I'm gonna be putting it at 4.5 in the middle. Cool, this is perfect. The nice thing about it is, like I mentioned, I used the center of the Honda emblem as the middle. So I used 4.5 right there. And if you look straight down, right there. So it's about 9 inches apart from each other. They're both as straight as can get. And the adhesive tape seems to hold. This is nice. And I'll explain more about the product in just a minute. Anyways, I bought this off of Etsy. It's a SI Coupe wing stabilizers. I got it off of Ski Production, so shout out to Ski Productions. And this is how it looks on their profile. So it is what it is, you know. It's a stabilizer. A lot of other companies make them for different cars, but I haven't seen one for the SI that I liked. And if check this out. It was like 53 bucks. It was $40 for both, and then $10 shipped. So whatever, it is what it is. Can't argue with the hustle that this guy made. I bought this in July 16th of this year. I completely forgot that I had this in my, it's been sitting in the back of my car this entire time. So I saw it and I was like, oh, he does have a lot of other things on his website, so check it out. You're more than welcome to check that out. But shout out to Ski Productions for sending this out. My bad for barely putting it on the car. I completely forgot I bought this a while back. So yeah, tell me I'm not the only one that has a love-hate relationship with this daylight savings time. It's already dark by 5. I mean, it's 2:14 right now. I had such a lazy ass day today. I slept in till about 11. I have not done that in like weeks. So it was about time I did that. The wing stabilizers, you're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. I actually dig how they look on the SI. Makes it look a little bit more aggressive in the rear. My car is practically done exterior wise. The only two things I really do want for the car is a carbon fiber hood, which it'll eventually happen. The car used rear gunny flap. I think that's what it's called. It goes on the rear of the wing, so it like gives it like a little duckbill look. I think that looks cool. Other than that, it's literally, I think I'm just missing a bigger turbo inlet piping and a new clutch. That's it. I mean, I do gotta look into the flex fuel kit, but I'm very just content with what I have right now done to the car, and it looks really good. Anything more, I feel like it'll just be too much. I feel like I've done just the right amount to make the car look, I guess you can say, clean. You know, it's not too much. It's not an eyesore. At least I don't think it's an eyesore. Oh yeah, big brake kit. Obviously the big brake kit will eventually come. I'm just getting free brakes. Getting free brake replacement at Honda is no-brainer, so I'm chilling with what I got right now. For my coupe guys and gals, on the SI, when you have, because it comes with the rear wing like that, I don't know if you ever noticed, but on specific bumps, you'll see the rear wing and it'll just move up and down like it's not stabilized. So with this, I'm just looking at it right now, it's not moving at all. It functions good, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit the gym right now. this is just gonna be a very short video, lazy day today, and I'll do a quick walk around of the car, that way you guys can see it from the rear, and obviously go take some pictures afterwards. That guy right there, who's driving around flooring it in the parking lot. Pretty funny. All right, so check it out. A few days later, guys. There she is. Look at that. You hear him? I don't even know what car that is, but that's how she's sitting. But obviously this is a video of the rear, so check this out. Ignore the dirt from the car, but this is how she sits for right now. Looks pretty good. So I'm actually digging how they look right now. I was skeptical before I got the part for the car, but now that it's been on there for a while, I am very pleased. So that's how she looks right there. Dude, I could still hear that car. Yeah, it's just gonna be a quick and simple video. But like I mentioned on my Instagram, I did post a picture of this a few days ago. So literally it's in the same, it stabilizes it. And one of the weakest things about the spoiler is that it literally like very flimsy on highway speeds. So this actually helped it out. So like barely moving. Yeah, boy. Chilling. I do need to get the car cleaned up. I am gonna get this thing waxed very soon. But regardless, that's gonna be it today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in another one. You guys have a good day. Peace.